Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's update, we observed how the price movement tested the blue horizontal level around 114,700 multiple times before holding steady near 115,500. This time, the data behind the move looks more convincing. The money flow indicator has turned deep into the green, and the MACD just crossed above its signal line, a sign that the momentum may only be beginning. When comparing this setup to the previous attempt, we can see a key difference. Back then, the money flow was still transitioning from red to green, and the MACD was already topping out. Now, the higher time frames such as the 4-hour, 8-hour, and 12-hour suggest this recent move might have been only the first preview of a broader continuation phase. Price has been repeatedly challenging the 116,000 range, and even though it hasn't cleared it yet, the repeated tests signal strength building up. Looking at the wider market, the SPX saw a drop of roughly 3.13% on Friday, but has already recovered about 1.66%, around 53% of that move. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has already regained around 76% from its dip, showing stronger recovery behavior compared to traditional indices. If we take the adjusted range starting from 109,700, that recovery equals about 52%, still a notable lead. Now let's analyze the heat maps. On the one-day view, the most active area sits between 116,200 and 117,200, followed by another range from 118,400 to 119,600. On the one-week view, we see a similar concentration between 115,900 and 117,400, with additional activity forming near 118,600 and another strong area around 125,700, a region that could represent new highs if reached. On the one-month view, the upper range expands further, stretching toward 130,000. Finally, when checking the positioning ratio, most market participants remain on the short side, a setup that often creates potential for reversals when sentiment shifts. I'll continue updating you daily with structured insights like this. Join the free Discord for real-time chart discussions. Leave a comment, it really helps. Click the like button if you got value from this update, and subscribe with the notification bell on to stay informed. And see you in the next one.